What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. As you can see, I'm coming to you with a DIY face mask today, and it has only 2 ingredients. Do you have bad breakouts, enlarged pores? How about dry patches and uneven skin tone and those stubborn blemishes that won't go away? This video is for you, so stay tuned. So our first ingredient is activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is a fine black odorless powder. It is created from carbon-rich materials such as coal, wood, coconut shells, etc. that is burnt at a high temperature, creating this charcoal powder. So the next ingredient is honey. It is best to use honey in its purest form so as to gain access to all that nutritional benefits. I purchased my honey from a trusted local supplier. I leave the information on the screen if you're interested in purchasing one of this bottle. And that's all to the mixture. Feel free to add your essential oils as you see fit. If you're looking for a thicker consistency, you can use a 1-to-1 ratio. If you're looking for a smoother consistency, you can use a 1-to-2 ratio, and that's 1 part activated charcoal and 2 parts honey. Guys, this can get a little messy, especially if you made the mixture on the runnier side. So you want to get your hair out of the way and wear a top that you don't care so much about before you begin. So before applying the mask, you want to properly cleanse your face to get rid of any dirt off that surface layer of your skin. So here I'm just using my facial cleanser to cleanse my face. I usually spend about 60 seconds to do this so as to give the product time to actually penetrate and break down any impurities before I wash it off. As simple as it may seem, it is very important to cleanse the neck and the hairline so as to prevent bacteria from building up in those areas and in return causing a lot of skin problems. So my mask is ready, my skin is ready, and I'm going to use a clean flat brush to apply this product. Activated charcoal has a lot of skin benefits. It has many tiny pores within its structure that is negatively charged that creates a magnetic pull, unclogging pores, removes deeper impurities, removes dead skin cells, and it reaches deep into the pores, finding positive ions like dirt, toxins, heavy metals, chemicals and other poisons that attaches themselves to the charcoal molecules, leaving the skin smooth, supple and evenly toned. Honey, as we know, supplies us with many benefits, and skin healing is one of them. Honey in its purest form has healthy bacteria that balances other bacteria on the skin that reduces acne. It speeds up skin cells' healing process, reducing blemishes, spots, and inflammation. It has an exfoliating property that removes dull skin, revealing new, fresh skin cells and increasing the skin's natural glow. So I'm going to keep this on for about 5 to 10 minutes and then I'm going to rinse my face. This mask can be removed with regular water. It is easy to rinse off the face and it does not leave a stain. Next, I'm going to follow up with my skin toner just to remove anything that I may have left behind. So my face was pretty much clean after rinsing. I only had some residue on my neck and my hairline. So you can see the importance of actually going over that area. What you apply to your face after this is up to you, it's optional. I am just applying some rose oil, patting that into my skin, massaging my neck, and then I'm going to follow up with my regular face moisturizer. And that's it for this mask. My face feels so soft and refreshed and supple. If you've tried this mask before, comment in the section below and let us know how it turned out. If you plan to try this mask, I would love to see how it turns out for you. So tag me in a picture on Instagram, follow me at Momo Naturals with 2Z, and if you like this video, do thumbs up and share with someone, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. Until next time guys, I'm your girl Momo. Thanks for watching this video. Take care.